Alright, let's find the measure of each interior angle of a regular heptagon. So first we need to know the sum of all the angles. So the thing we do is we take 180 times the number of sides minus 2. Heptagons have 7 sides, so that is 180. 7 minus 2. That makes 180 times 5. Put that in our calculator. 180 times 5 gives us 900. So the total is 900, and we divide that by the number of sides. So that is 900 divided by 7. And that gives us approximately 128 let's round to the nearest hundredth, 57 degrees in each angle of a heptagon, regular heptagon.